Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. So happy new year. First of all, I hope this year brings you joy, happiness, money, success, and all those good things. It is the first weekend of 2023 and we're getting started with our first weekend vlog. So it is Friday and it's currently a little after 3. So I just got done with work and I am planning to go out later this evening. And I also have some plans tomorrow that I'm excited about. Hopefully everything goes as planned and I do get to record, because y'all know how it is with me and recording. But it's a new year, so we're gonna try a thing or two. And hopefully this vlog is just a really chill, islandy type of a vlog, because I want to go to the beach on Sunday and the activity tomorrow is actually at a nice restaurant, which y'all are gonna see. And I think that's all I have for the intros, so keep watching. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Make sure to tell a friend, invite more people. We're currently at 575 subscribers and I'm trying to get to 1,000 by hopefully June. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We're gonna try and put in the work and everything so that we get there. So thank you so much for those of you who have been following my channel. You watch at every notification, you like, you comment, etc. I really appreciate it, and cheers to bigger and better things this year. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I am up and finally getting ready. My mood is so depleted because it's just about to be that time of the month. So if you're anything like me, days before, it's crazy. So super close. Like, my hair still looks crazy. I can't wait to color it again because I just feel like I'm seeing so much black and it's like, ugh. But I'm gonna do a new color. Yeah, I'm trying to do it this month, so stick around for that. This is what I'm wearing. Nothing too fancy. And a shirt, this over it, and a jeans pants. Yeah, that's it. I got these jeans from Primark. Now when I say skin tight, skin tight. So anyways, this is the idea. This over it. I don't know. I'm feeling this. Don't know if I'm feeling it. But we're gonna go with it. All my other jeans need to wash. That's why I'm wearing black jeans. Tie it. Why is the rain trying to stop my shine? Hey guys, so I'm finally finished getting ready. It's never really much, but I just changed my earrings and I'm waiting for my sisters and then we're gonna go. The only thing is I don't think we're gonna actually get there before it gets dark so that we can see the view. I don't know, but we'll see. So this is the final look. Okay. Yep.
You go out for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed, oh. I no go feed the guys out, oh. My mind does you talk, oh. I put my life into my love, and I know I'm in trouble. Manipulate my love, oh.
Hey guys, so we're at Tradewinds, well, Bayhouse restaurant, waiting on Whitney. But we already ordered drinks. I'm trying to decide what we're gonna have to eat. I'm thinking a pasta. Even if I stay away from cheese, but I'm gonna have this seafood pasta.
And then it was really
Smoked salmon with pasta.
smoked salmon and spinach.
When I wasn't here.
A long ago.
Oh, you think it's the same? Amatriciana pasta. Bacon, tomatoes, and herbs. And I like tomato sauce. Just
And I know that get both like a baba frayo, mayo, don't cry yo. Yeah, I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. Yeah, I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. I dey put a cut when them kill Obama. I dey try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you remake with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbanika churu. I'm a white dog in Venezuela. Why you say I did nothing for you when I for do anything you.
Oh, you have my phone.
Yeah, sorry.
Guys, we're trying to find this skating ring. There are no signs. And it's just a whole mess. I hope.
Walking by faith, not sight.
I want to be like double-sided, but it's up here.
Oh. So now people can see me smoking.
It's up here, Chuck. It's up here.
Oh yeah.
To do, Timbanika churu. I'm a white dog in Venezuela. Why you say I did nothing for you when I for do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye yo, to the love of my life, yo. I need the bow and shadow. Yeah. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and shadow. I need the bow and
Why is it so blurry? Look at Alia struggling, guys. He thought this was something. Okay, she's kind of getting it now. Okay. Meanwhile, Anya's throwing.
Y'all, I'm home. Nobody can tell me that skating is not a workout. That took a lot. I actually didn't fall on the ground, but I have no coordination whatsoever. So he was telling me that I needed to angle like you're dancing, and I'm like, bro, who told you I dance? Not my light dying on me, ghetto. So I'm gonna hurry up and get through this. It was fun. I'm happy I did it. Oh, there it goes again. I hope y'all can see me. It's the new year, so trying new things and all of that jazz. But as I was saying earlier, because of Mother Nature and whatnot, my stomach hurted me. I wasn't in the best of moods, but I did do it. We spent an hour there, but I wasn't skating for an hour. The man was very patient and helpful. And now that I'm home, I'm actually gonna have some ginger tea and continue watching Too Hot to Handle on Netflix and then call it a night. Hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. Thanks, and just continue watching, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it at the end. Comment, ask me anything you want to know. Yeah, that's the vibe. Nighty night. Morning, guys. So I'm just chilling in bed. I started watching Too Hot to Handle, but I'm actually going to fill out my 5-minute intentional journal because I didn't do it yesterday and I'm not trying to lose the momentum in January, so I'm just gonna fill this out really quickly. So it has a page for the morning, the quote of the day, and you write what you're thankful for, positive affirmations, how you feel, and in the night you would come back and just journal about your day and your tasks for the next day. So I'm gonna do this, then I'm gonna go back to watching TV. It's about sometime after 9, I think. I'll get up maybe by 10, or when I start getting hungry, I'll get up and go get prepped for the day. Kind of wanna do over my hair, not completely, but I'll probably just add a little bit more product and braid it back so that it can be a little stretched for later. That's the plan of the day, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I need to charge my devices as well. I always struggle with the part that I have to list positive affirmations. Like, I never know what to write. So I'm gonna think about that some more. And I actually forgot to tell you guys that my friend actually made this book. Shout out to Elena. She has a business, Guiding Lanes, and the book is actually available on Amazon, so I'm gonna leave the link below so that you can support. And if you're in Antigua, you can go to her page and see how you can get one on Island if you don't want to go through Amazon. But yeah, so that's it. Halfway through my hair, I still have the back to do, but guys, the weather is doing its thing again and it's just not looking good. It's overcast and I need it to be a nice clear day so we can get a bomb sunset, because come on, who doesn't want to see that? But yeah, I'm still watching Too Hot to Handle and actually lit a candle and everything. Anyways guys, I'm finally on my way. I have to do my hair in the car because I'm always out of time. So yeah, that's what I end up wearing.
Sing
guys, so I'm just here to update you that I am back home now and I am going to finish watching Too Hot to Handle. I'm probably gonna finish it tonight. I'm really invested in this show. I don't know why, but I just need to see who ends up with who gets sent home and who wins. And it's 8 o'clock now, so yeah, that's about it. I'm already in bed, ready for tonight. There's actually a concert happening tonight, but I am in no way interested in going. It's at Antigua Recreation Grounds, which I haven't been to in years. But yeah, your girl will be inside watching TV and chilling. That's about it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I make it to the beach. The weather has been, well, you saw how the weather has been. Hopefully it clears up tomorrow so we can get a proper beach day, and then that will be the end of the weekend vlog. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, happy Sunday. I've been up for maybe like 2 hours probably. I was just chilling in bed doing all sorts of things, and now I'm trying to make a post on Instagram, and it's just stressing me out. I'm still so salty about the weather yesterday and today. Like, where's the sunshine? But anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm also going to try and do a blog post, and I'm also supposed to be paying my school fee because school starts next week. I don't even know what day I have classes. I think it's Wednesday, but yeah, that's what's happening this morning. Still deciding if we're gonna make it to the beach and which one. And I also need to get breakfast. Yeah. So I will check back in with you guys soon. Guys, we finally made it to the beach. It's like after 4, but don't mind that. Had some KFC, finished eating, and now we're just here chilling. We're at Darkwood Beach again. But yeah, that's about it.
Let's take this overboard now.
Are they coming this way? Are they going town? Why would I be wasting my gas to do this? Right?
Oh God,
They're in front of us? Oh my God. Guys, we're getting stuck in a whole motorcade.
Okay, it's not so long, but I don't know.
More cars still coming through up there.